Bosque mobile bicycle repair here. I am tuning up this old mountain bicycle. I'm going to be installing a new handlebar. I am also installing new brake and shifting cables. The thumb shifters have grease on their internal mechanism, but over time, the grease will get stiff and harden, will get dirty, which will clog up the little gears or mechanism. So I'm going to clean it out with some brake clean. Got the bicycle tuned up, new handlebar installed new cables. They are shorter than the previous ones because there's not a big handlebar on there anymore. It looks pretty clean. Didn't have any issues routing the cables on the frame. This customer is going to be commuting to work with a reliable bicycle. Get your bicycle tuned up and repaired. Book an appointment on my website and check out my social media. Okay, today I'm going to be taking off these handlebars, replacing them. Right here, I'm using a 6mm Allen key. It's going to be
I see. Yeah, it just has the 90-degree angle there to hold it up. That's
yeah.
cool. That works for
Yeah.
sure.
So yeah, this is good for just loosening and tightening it. This is a little let me see. Let me get my where's my other ones? My L-shaped keys. L-shaped keys right here. These are Allen bolts. These are 5mm right here. 5mm. Blah, blah, blah. So that's a nice bell right here. Spring bell universal. It looks pretty vintage. I don't know. I've never heard of it. But I would. Let's see. So I got these bars off. I should have took these. I loosened these off before I took off the bar, but sometimes I just get a little too excited, you know. Anyways, but let me see. I take these off. Loosen these. These. So I gotta check the diameter of this bar, but I'm pretty sure it's the same. It's same, close enough. Looks like it's a Nitto handlebar, Japanese brand. Very popular, very good quality. You'll have one, Planet Bike Light. Okay. Unless I gotta get a box cutter because I gotta cut off that grip. We're gonna put new grips on it. He bought some pretty nice commuting grips. I don't know what brand this is. It's like CD or CO. It's pretty cool. Got a little zip knife. Yeah, this is gonna be a pain in the butt to cut off. You know, after a while, these grips do deteriorate, and you should replace them so you can have better grip, of course. I use isopropyl alcohol to help me install the grips, you know, smooth. So I got this. Okay. Got
let's slice this off. They call these bull horns. These type of handlebars. Bullhorn handlebars. Very cool handlebars. I don't think they're that ergonomic for me, but for some people they like them. But you know, everybody's built different. People are different, you know. Body types and stuff, you know. Okay. That's a pretty cool bell. Pretty cool bell. I don't want to forget to put that on. So I'm gonna double check the diameter of the middle of the handlebars. So you want to check the diameter of the clamping surface. I got a nice digital little micrometer. I mean, not a micrometer. It's a veneer caliper. So everything's in metric with bicycles pretty much. So makes it easier. I personally like it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna put this. So this is a Nitto handlebar. I can barely see the writing, but it is a Nitto handlebar. So it's a 25.34 diameter size. 25.34. And this one is a 25.4. Well, that one is a 25.4. It's just 25.34. So pretty much it's a 25.4. And this has like a grooved clamping surface, which is good. You know, that will help with the clamping on it. You know, help to stabilize it, which is good. Yeah, so I'm gonna clamp this on there. Put this on there. Going back to 6mm. 6mm. I gotta put some grease on there. I'm gonna do that. I'll do the last at the end. Yeah, it's good to put grease on these bolts. But we'll do that at the end. Let's see here. Oh wait, I'm about to put this back on there. So yeah. FMFXTR. FMFXTR. Handlebars. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. This is nasty. Yeah, that's pretty grimy. Let's clean this off. Let's spray it with some brake clean. Might as well. Where's my glasses at? Yeah, I'll get my glasses. This is some nasty stuff. Never put grease on that area. Ba, 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 ba. Hustle, 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 hustle. We gotta wipe that. Wipe that stuff. Okay, so that looks pretty cool. loosen this. Okay. Okay. Yeah, kind of show the logo, huh? Yeah, show the logo. Ba, ba, ba. Okay. And this is like around, I do like 6 Newton meters, 7 Newton meters, depending, you know. You want to make sure the spacing is good on both sides. So I'm gonna put that cool bell back on there. It's a really cool bell. I think it's probably made out of real brass. Real brass. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty dope. Let me get the flashlight. Get the flashlight and put the flashlight back on. Actually, this rubber piece may not be needed. I wouldn't use it. Let me see. Yeah, you have to use it. But this is adjustable. Oh dang. Planet Bike is doing some pretty cool stuff. What is that? There we go. Got it. It's called the Beamer 700. It's a pretty cool light. Pretty cool light. Okay, so your rear brake always goes on the right hand side. That's how we do it here in North America. You know, North America's, that's how we do it. In Europe, you guys do it opposite. So the right goes there, and the rear. Okay. And I'm gonna move it like this. Watch this. How about that? Okay. So I go like that. Ba, ba, ba. Oh, wait, put it on the wrong way. Ba, 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 ba. Right to the back. So you want to see that. Okay, so I cut the cable on the bicycle. I'm going to be replacing it. Also, this bar right here, which I got to bend because this is for like a basket right here. But it's kind of tangled up in these, kind of routed through the cables. I got to unroute it. So that's the only bad thing right now that I got to deal with. Is dealing with that right now. So I'm gonna put this. It shouldn't be tangled up in the brake, in the cables. You know what I mean? So yeah, but I'm gonna save that till last to put on. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to bend that. It's got all kinds of stuff on it. I just put it right here. Okay. So boom, boom. Okay, it's getting hot. It's getting hot. It's getting hot. Da, 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 da. Okay. It's looking pretty good. Well, the shifter. I should route the shifter through the same way. I'm gonna cut this. I need to cut this brake line. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of bad. Yeah, I don't like that at all. That's not good. Let's see. This is cracking right here. Lowest gear and yeah. And then you push it out. So pretty simple. It's not rocket science. But if your cables are too long, it'll bend and kink over time. You don't want that to happen. So you gotta throw this away. Put this in the bag for now. Okay. So I gotta figure out the length of that. It's not gonna be that long. It's gonna be like I think it's gonna be like that. I'm gonna estimate it right there. I think that's good enough. If I need to shorten it, I'll shorten it. This is for the rear. I already cut this out. Got that. That's a 10 millimeter. Okay. Okay. Where's my... It might be a 9, it might be a 10, who knows. Or an 8. It's probably a 9 or a 10. Let's see, I got my 9 right here. That's up a 10. I got a 9. Where's my 9 at? Nope, definitely not a 10. Is this my 9? Yep. Got a 9 right there. So my 9 millimeter. 9 millimeter. Okay. 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 Perfect. Okay. This was gonna be a bigger job than I thought. But I got everything, so. Yeah, it's not bad. I like it. It's good. It's golden. Capiche capush. Capiche capush, man. Ba, 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 ba,
You're gonna have to hurry, man. Sun's coming around.
Yeah, I know.
You move down the driveway a little bit, you'd probably be okay.
Yeah, I'll survive.
Yeah, right?
Okay. Ba, ba, ba. Unless okay, so I gotta route the shifting cable through here. Shifting cables. Okay. Yeah, I gotta move down the driveway. So I'm gonna... So this, yeah, I could see that being a problem. Watch this. Okay, got that like that. Okay. So there's this. These things protect your frame. It's like a plastic sheath. They do sell these online. This part always corrodes right here. That's one of those. Damn it. Yeah, it's not gonna work. So I just gotta route it through here. It's a little tricky. It's a little tricky. Okay. Gotta do it like that. Okay, and then down through here. Got it fed through. I got it fed. And so I got it. Yep, there we go. Not bad at all. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tighten it. Well, actually, no, I'm not gonna tighten it. So I gotta check this wheel, make sure it's seated in the frame. All good. Okay. So the high limit screw is set pretty good. Set pretty good. Decent. Let me see, check the low limit. So I gotta check the low limit. Low limit screw set. It's all good. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tighten this. And yeah, I'm good. Let's see, put that right there. Go right there. Let's see. Okay. Got that. Okay, now I gotta shorten this one right here. I'm gonna put on the grips too. Maybe grips are, I think they're using a probably a 3mm. No, what is this one? It's a 4. It's a 3. 3 is yellow. Yeah, it's a 3mm. Yeah, I should have put these on to begin with. 5 Newton meters. 5 Newton meters. Dang. Yeah, these are for long bars, eh? These are for long. Oh, I tighten that. Let's see. Okay. Everything's butted up right there. Okay.
Have a good one there.
You too. Have a good day. Let's see. Yep. Okay, so here's my 5mm. Okay, so I'm gonna tighten it with a 5mm. Oh wait, it's not a 5mm. It's a 4. Great. It's a 5mm. Let's see here. Okay. Is it tightening? I think it is. Yeah, it's tightened. It's tightened. Kinda. But good. It's good enough. It's good enough. Okay. Where's my 5 at? Let me get my 5. Wow. Uh-oh, don't know where my 5 is. My 5mm T handle. My T handle, man. Don't tell me I lost it. Jeez. Bummer, man. Anyways, put this other one on. So, yeah, these are. Okay. There we go. Okay. This is the right side. This is right side, left side. Okay, so this is yep. Yep. It's pretty dope. That feels good right there. That feels real good. It's a 4mm. 4mm. Okay. And these, I gotta tighten these up. Just keep them like. I gotta lower those too. Sometimes they don't want to release. It's alright. Just keep it like that. Okay, so you want to keep these at a 45-degree angle. That's what I keep them at. 45 degrees. the roofer. The roofer. Those brakes are snapping pretty good, man. Yeah, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with it. This rear shifter though, the guy was complaining about how bad the shifting was. So, you know, that's a common issue. You know, people do not like. People really don't like when their bike's not shifting good. So. Let me get this. I'm gonna leave that off till later. Okay. I'm gonna get this. Oh, great. How is this routed through? I was about to cut this shifting cable off, but yeah, I don't know what this is on it. It's like a cover. Never seen that before. Maybe some guy who's been in the industry for 20 years probably knows what it is. Yeah, that's not me. Okay, so the front brake is kind of loose. I don't like it. Yeah, we'll fix that. All right. How do I take this off? I have a feeling this is gonna break because it's so old. Great. Are we still recording? Yep, we're still recording. Got battery. Aight. Okay, so we got limited time. Well, I showed you guys how I put that handlebar on. Because let's just fix the shifting and then I'll show you guys. Is this wheel true? The wheel's true. Pretty true. True enough. Let me check this wheel for... it's going to be nasty. So I got to check the cassette and see if it's tight enough. I got to loosen... Of course, I got to release the brakes first if I want to take off the wheel. Duh. Who is that? Okay, so this is extremely greasy. So there's no play in the hub. Good. I gotta check the cassette. And man, this is nasty. I got this. We'll wipe this down before we check it. Okay, if you're gonna apply lubricant on your bicycle, make sure that you make sure that you wipe off the lube from the chain. That's bad. I'll throw this away real quick. Actually, I'll throw it away later. Put that right there. Okay, so there's the cassette tool. So I got a cassette tool on right here. Yep, that's tight. I don't want to over tighten it. But yeah, that's tight. Okay, that's good. Es bueno. Es bueno. Okay. Okay. All right, it's all good. Okay. Okay, got it. Okay, so we're gonna do the shifting now. I gotta so right now I'm just shifting, and what I'm doing is because this is a new cable, it's gonna stretch. Okay, so it's definitely gonna stretch. Yeah, so it's stretching. Where's my needle nose at? Oh, You know, I lost my wire cutters, my side cutters. Man, I had those side cutters for years, man. They were Craftsman. Jeez. That was back before Sears closed down, man. I had bought that. Man, I had bought it, man. I was like, that B screw's not set properly. You hear it rubbing. Yeah, it's definitely. I don't like the B screw, man. I don't like the B screw. Where's my wire brush at? Where's my wire? So I gotta pick because there's a bunch of dirt in it. This is a Japanese industrial screw, but you can use a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver on it. Just gotta push down hard. I gotta push down. Yeah, this derailleur's not meant for this gear ratio, man. It's nasty right there. Okay. Still got that box cutter. I don't think they're gonna give me a ticket for blocking the sidewalk. Downtown Denver is like strict with everything. If you don't shovel the sidewalk, you get fined. Yeah, they fine you for that. They don't play around, man. Yeah, pretty good. It's not shifting down. And I'm gonna spray it with some brake clean just in case. It's because that's an old shifter, so you gotta clean out the little mechanism. The what is it called? The shifter. The grease in there gets all thick viscosity. You know what I mean? And be careful when you're screwing it, because this little screw will fall down and disappear into another dimension. That's what happens. Okay. I don't know what time we got, but so this is the left one right here. Great. I'm gonna put the left one on the left side. All right. I gotta use the brake clean. Stuff's pretty nasty. It's real nasty. Where's my glasses at? Oh. My glasses, man. My gloves, because this stuff's pretty grimy. Alright, I'm gonna move this over here. Actually, I can put it in this pocket. I'm trying to pull it up. And okay. So after you spray it, shift through the gears. Oh man, that sounds like a hawk. Okay, so oh my God, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there is a raptor somewhere around here, and that dude is gonna eat me alive. So this is I think the shifter might be broken. Yeah, I think it is. Because I'm spraying it and it's not shifting up to the highest gear. Either that or somebody modified it, who knows. Shifting perfect. Yeah, it's not catching. It's not catching on that because it's real dirty. Where's that? See, the high limit screw is set, but it's not shifting because this left gear is old. It's gunked up. Yeah, unfortunately. Yeah, it's gonna move on. The high limit screw wasn't set properly anyways. Okay, so everything's good. Alrighty, let me check how much battery life I got left on this camera. Still got half. Okay, we're good. Been filming for like 31 minutes. I think I'm gonna run out of time on my SD card because I only brought the small one. But I'm gonna figure out what this is right here, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay.